How to schedule a Threads post in advance. Simply tap on the Threads application. After you open your app, simply tap on the compose or plus icon right over here. Then if you want to schedule your post, simply tap on the horizontal lines or dots at the top right corner, and there is an option called schedule. Simply tap on schedule, and from here you'll be able to schedule your post. If you want to change the day, simply swipe down or up and you'll be able to change the day as well as the date. And if you want to change the time, like hours, what hour you want to present, then 8. Okay. If you want to change the minutes, simply scroll down the minutes option. And if you want to change the morning or evening, simply select AM or PM as you want to wish. And after you're all set, simply tap on done. And that's it. You're okay. You'll see your posting request right over here, and this will be posted on Tuesday at 8:23 a.m. And finally tap on schedule, and that's it, guys. See on view, and all of your schedule will be shown here. One is going to be posted on Tuesday 8:23 a.m. and other is on Sunday 7:09 p.m. It will be automatically posted when the day or the date and the time arrives. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.